How's it going, everybody? Derek here from Addictive Tips, and in this video we're going to be talking about how to install NordVPN on Linux. Before I get started, I just want to mention that if you check out the link in the description and all the information that we have down there, Addictive Tips readers can check out with 66% off when they purchase NordVPN. So if you want to save some money, maybe you need to get a VPN for privacy reasons, maybe you just want to download stuff to your computer without getting in trouble, or whatever you do, please check out that information and you can do it and get some savings. So to install this on Linux, this is actually a lot easier than most of the VPNs out there. ExpressVPN is also quite similar in its ease of use, but I actually really like how NordVPN does this. And what you need to do is you need to click on their VPN apps thing once you've got your stuff connected and signed up. Then you need to click the download button and it will download a Debian package. I'm not sure why that opened in FileBot, but you can also just copy link location and do a wget if you are so inclined. And once we're there, we can do open with qapt or whatever apt package manager you use on Ubuntu. You can also open it up with the Ubuntu Software Center or GNOME Software or the KDE Discover app, but just click the install package button, enter your password, let it go through, and once it's done, you can click the close button, go back to your terminal, clear all the stuff out of the way, and so once the package is downloaded to your computer, you just need to do sudo apt update, and that will refresh the new repo that NordVPN installs once you get it in there. And then it's just a simple sudo apt install command to finish up and you can connect to your system. So if you look here, we can find the, where is it? It's in here and it's basically, there we go. It's a repository for NordVPN that we updated. And then we can just do sudo apt install NordVPN -y. Install all of the stuff that it needs, and it's about 44.1 megabytes of space, so it's going to be pretty quick and we can get it going. So it tells you the information as soon as you install it, and it'll tell you NordVPN login and enter your NordVPN account details, and then NordVPN connect. So I'm going to be right back and I'm going to enter my account details and then we will go over connecting. All right, so I've entered my details. Now to connect to the network itself and get my VPN working now that it's all installed and everything, all I need to do is do NordVPN connect. And it takes a lot of the complexities out of the situation. You don't need to deal with OpenVPN configuration files or anything like that. It's just a command. And that is how you get NordVPN working on Linux. Please check the link in the description. And also, I should say, if you're not an Ubuntu or Debian user, don't worry because NordVPN works with that. It just requires reading the tutorial on the website, which you can find if you click the Linux button. Please check for the savings that you can get, and I will see you in the next video.